This is question number 10 in the June 2014 non-calculator paper. The first thing I need to point out is that there's a star next to the question number, so that means that you get marks for quality of written communication in this question. They said milk is sold in two sizes of bottle. You have the two bottles here, and they've given you this information again as what they've set up here. So a 4-pint bottle costs $1.18, and a 6-pint bottle costs $1.74. Which bottle is best value for money? And they want you to show all workings. So you can't guess your answer. You need to make sure you show workings to support the answer that you actually give. So how do you go about this? There are a couple of ways of doing this question. In fact, there's several ways you could do this question. You could work out the cost of 1 pint by doing a division. You could. So looking at the 4-pint bottle, so 4 pints cost $1.18. To work out the cost of 1 pint, I'm going to do $1.18 divided by 4. 4 goes into 1. Oh, so 4 can't go into 1. 4 can go into 11 twice. 4 2 is 8, so there's a remainder of 3. 4 goes into 38 9 times. 9 4 is 36. The remainder is 2. And at this point, I can add a 0 on. Right, so that looks like 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times. And if I line up my decimal point, there's a decimal point just above there. So the cost of 1 pint is 29 pence. So 29 pence, 5p. So 29 pence, 29.5 pence. Okay, that's the cost of 1 pint of the 4-pint bottle. If I work out the same, or do the same technique for the 6-pint bottle, so for the 6-pint bottle, I'm going to do, say, 6 pints cost $1.74. I'm going to do a division again to work out how much 1 pint costs. That's going to be 174 pounds divided by 6. 6 into 74, 1 cannot. 6 into 17 is going to be 2. 6 2 is 12, so the remainder is 5. And 6 goes into 54 9 times. So if I put the decimal point there, right, a 6-pint bottle, according to the 6-pint bottle, 1 pint cost 29 pence, or 0.29, which is 29 pence. Which one's the better value? So it's actually quite close. The 4-pint bottle is 29.5 pence. The 6-pint bottle is 29 pence. So what am I going to say? The 6-pint bottle is better value. And that's what I need to write as my sentence at the end. The 6-pint bottle is better value. Okay, and that's enough to get me the full marks in this question. The answers are laid out clearly. All the workings are shown. Make sure you're comfortable with doing division of this sort, right? And I've put all my answers in there. Okay, make sure you understand that fully, and make sure you can do it yourself.